Hi everybody, this is the Left-Handed Shooter, and today we're going to take a look at this Ozark Trail 7-inch pocket knife. It has its model number 6679. Actually, this is a $6 knife, and it's a fairly good looking knife for Ozark Trail. Here's the centering. Pretty good on the centering. Down here it has nylon washers in here. The handle, it's made of polypropylene, which is basically hard plastic. Deep pocket carry, but only it's non-reversible, so us lefties will have to have it on, be backwards for us. It has dual thumb studs and also a flipper here. Now, it should just flip all the way open, but it's a little bit stiff, so I always have to give it a jerk until I either work it in or loosen these guys up. See what I mean? So you can either open it up with the flipper here, or the thumb studs. Has dual thumb studs, which, because of this pocket clip being right here, your thumb is always in the way, or it's hard to get your thumb in there unless you do it right-handed, which is no big deal really. Now the blade material, not sure what it is. It's probably like 420 or something like that, some kind of soft metal, which makes it so you don't hold your blade as your sharpness enough, but it also makes it so it's easy to sharpen. So it's really not that big of a deal. It's got jimping up here on the top of your blade, so it'll hold your thumb a little bit. And also it has jimping. Here, let me do this. On your flipper here, so you can see. Put that back there. Aesthetically, she's a good looking knife. You know, it's a liner lock. It's got a red anodized stainless in here, which makes it look nice. It's got a hole for your wrist strap. Paracord wrist strap deal. Now this thing's interesting here. This, I don't know why this is here. I mean, you're holding the knife like this. I don't know. It's kind of, and it also has it on this side too, which the pocket clip goes into. Maybe that's why they have it when they're manufacturing these. It's just do one thing. I don't know. Now the blade shape, I'm not sure what you're calling this. If anyone knows, just leave it in the comments. But it has a 3-inch blade, and it has a 4-inch handle, typical for a 7-inch knife. Let's see what she weighs. On my scale, it comes in at 2.3. try it one more time. Yeah, 2.3 ounces. Let's check out the sharpness. Well, that's pretty sharp. This is how it comes straight out of the box. Let's get all this crap out of the way here. All right, so she is a good looking knife. Probably one of the better looking Walmart knives. The only other complaint I've heard from other reviews I've seen on this thing is why this sticks up here. You know, some people don't like the feel of it with your thumb on these rails here. Doesn't bother me, but it is you know, for $6, it doesn't look like a $6 knife. If someone saw you using this thing, didn't realize it was Ozark Trail, they would probably think this is like a $25 knife. And let's see the lockup up here. That's pretty darn good. I don't have any problems with this twisting. Also, if you want to see, here's how she's locking up on here with the liner lock. That's not bad. Because I've had some Ozark Trail knives with the lock is barely even touching the thing. Very dangerous. This one locks up really well. And the black, I don't know if it's painted. I don't know what this is. It's probably come off with use, but who cares? For what you paid for this thing, it's not bad. So anyways, if you have any comments, leave them below. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. And I will see you on the next one. Later, guys.